Good morning. Welcome to the Blue Shack. I'm Joe, and today I'm going to be making another ring. This one I'm going to leave completely natural in color, so it's going to be silver. I'm going to get started here. I've already got this chucked up on the lathe. The first thing I'm going to do is to bore out the inside. Thing I'm going to do is do a finishing pass of this, the face of it. Is currently roughly 3.8 millimeters thick. I want to take it down to 2, so it's going to take quite a few passes. Now that is the basic ring dimensions. Next, I'm going to give that inside edge just a little bit of a bevel. Starting to look more like a ring now. And the next part really transforms it a bit, because what I'm going to do next is finish off the inside, get it nice and smooth. I'm going to be using 5 different grits of sandpaper from 240, 320, 400, 600, 1000 grit, 2000 grit. After that, I'm going to be using polish on the inside. The next step is also one of my favorites, and that's going to be to part this ring off. For that, I need a parting tool. Basic shape and start of the ring. Now it's time to get rid of this chuck and put on a mandrel and really start shaping it. Put in the Morse taper. So I've got the ring mounted on there. And the first thing I need to do is to clean up this inside edge, get rid of that burr, and also give it a bevel that matches the other edge of the ring. Next thing I'm going to do is true up the outside. I'm just going to make one pass right across the outside surface of this. For this ring, I am going to be making an indentation on each outside edge. there's the ring so far. Now I'm going to move everything over to the disc sander. I'm going to do the next part of this ring, and that's to give it some little tiny facets. Got all those little cuts all the way around. They're very, very small. Take it back over to the lathe now and do some finishing working. I'm going to lightly sand all of it, including the raised band, and then I'm going to highly polish the whole ring. Time to flip this ring over and finish up the other side. On to some fine compound. Looking pretty shiny. Only thing left is to take the ring off and hit it with one final pass of fine on the inside. There is the finished ring. It's got some little dimples in it. Makes it look a little bit like it's been hammered. I like it. Turned out pretty good. We started off with basically a chunk of raw grade 2 titanium and turned that into a ring. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Until next time, this is Joe at the Blue Shack.